Whakaalo Whatuma Kau. Welcome back. Today I'm training on a Saturday in the afternoon. The bros gone on holiday, so just me training chest, legs and probably triceps at the core. Doing cables now. 5. Hey, I'm on the Smith machine. Sweet. Just got 1 rep on the Smith machine on 3 plates. So happy with that. There you go. Happy now. Hey, onto the incline bench press. So what that is just the seat is on an angle, so you're working the upper chest. I'm going to try and get up to the 40s, but we'll see. Yeah. I think the endorphins are kicking in now because I'm feeling a bit more happier. Just made it up to the 40 kg dumbbells, so I might just do 1 or 2 sets on that for the incline press. But I'll put the camera here because I don't have a camera present. Yeah, endorphins definitely kicked in because I did 20 reps. I usually just do 10. So that's me for chest now. Moving to the next exercises, the triceps. Sweet. This side I'm going to do dips. This is what a dip machine looks like. I'll try and show you what it looks like. Yeah, bit of an ugly camera angle, but all good. That's what the dips are, and therefore the triceps. That's the tricep. You know, training by yourself sucks big time. It's not as fun. It's pretty lonely. And it's just hard to get excited and motivated by training. But the good thing is that you don't have to rely on anyone. You don't have to wait on anyone. You can just show up, do your thing, and get out. So a lot of the guys that can train by themselves usually have a good physique because they're motivated and dedicated compared to your average gym goer who needs someone to train with. So yeah, I can see why most people don't want to train by themselves, because bro, this is boring. No one to laugh with. But I guess what's important to you, and right now me trying to get back in shape is pretty important, because when I feel good inside, when I look good, I usually feel good. So yeah, if you're looking for some motivation, you know, it's good to learn how to train by yourself. Sweet, workout done. Off home now to grab a feed. I'll show you what I usually eat post workout. I'm happy that's done. That was very hard, but felt much better after the workout now. We'll see you when I get home. Oh, sup bag, sup. Back in the gym, gonna train back today. Just spoke to the master of pancrase, Jordan. Yeah, here's the man. Here he is here. And there's Daniel at the back. Personal trainers. But yeah, I was gonna wear my New Wear Tour shirts here, but I thought I would wear them out first. Wear them out before I wear them and get them all sweaty in the gym. But yeah, I'm getting leaner. Sweet. First machine. Supported row, forward back. Whakaalo whātu. I'm on to the what's these barbell rows now? Barbell rows. Alright, this is how it looks. Sweet. Next exercise I'm going to do lat pull downs. Doishi. Whakaalo whātu. Finished back. Now I'll finish off with some biceps. Bicep curls.